Is buying property in Florida still worth it in 2026? Florida has been one of the hottest real estate markets in the country for years. But with rising insurance costs, fluctuating interest rates, and increasing home prices, many investors are asking the same question. Is buying property in Florida still worth it in 2026? In this video, we'll break down what's actually happening in the Florida market, the opportunities, the risks, and what smart investors are doing differently right now. Let's take a realistic look. Why Florida continues to attract buyers. First, let's talk about demand. Florida remains one of the top relocation states in the U.S. Why? No state income tax, strong job growth, business-friendly environment, lifestyle appeal, beaches, weather, entertainment, remote work flexibility. Population growth continues to drive housing demand, both for primary residences and rental properties. More people moving in means more demand for housing. And demand is one of the strongest indicators of long-term real estate stability. Investment potential in Florida. Now let's talk numbers, not hype. Florida offers three major advantages for investors. 1. Rental demand, high migration, plus tourism, plus seasonal residents, plus strong rental activity. In many Florida markets, rental demand remains steady due to workforce housing needs, corporate relocations, short-term rental markets in specific zones, appreciation, potential. Historically, Florida has experienced strong long-term appreciation, especially in growth corridors and metro expansions. Infrastructure development and new commercial projects often increase surrounding property values. Tax advantages. No state income tax makes Florida particularly attractive for high-income earners relocating from other states. For investors, this can mean stronger buyer demand long-term. The risks you must consider. Now let's be clear, no market is risk-free. There are important factors to evaluate before buying. Insurance costs. Property insurance premiums in Florida have increased significantly in recent years. You must factor this into your cash flow calculations. Property taxes. Florida property taxes vary by county and can impact long-term returns. HOA fees. Many Florida communities have homeowner associations with monthly fees. These affect your ROI and rental pricing. Market selection. Not all Florida cities perform the same. Buying in the wrong submarket can limit appreciation and rental demand. Smart investors analyze local data, not just headlines. What smart investors are doing in 2026? So what are experienced buyers doing differently right now? They're focusing on long-term holds, not quick flips. Buying in job growth corridors, analyzing insurance before closing, running conservative cash flow projections, partnering with experienced local professionals. They're not buying emotionally, they're buying strategically. They understand that real estate is a long-term asset, not a short-term gamble. And most importantly, they treat property ownership like a business. Is it still worth it? For the right investor, yes. Florida continues to offer population growth, rental demand, lifestyle appeal, tax advantages. But success depends on location, timing, numbers, and execution. Florida is still a strong market if approached correctly. If you're considering buying investment property in Florida, the key is clarity before commitment. At Live Paradise, we help investors evaluate markets, analyze rental potential, and make informed decisions. If you're exploring Florida real estate opportunities, connect with our team and let's determine whether it makes sense for your goals. Florida can be a powerful investment when done right.